Hey guys, this is Amit and you're watching Tech Dad. In this video, we are going to compare between Xiaomi Mi 11 Lite versus iQOO Z3 5G, and we will discuss which one is better in camera, performance, display, body of the devices, features, communication chips, and about the prices. In the end of the video, I will tell you which one is better according to me. So watch this video till the end. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. Let the comparison start with the camera of the devices. Talking about the rear camera of the devices, 11 Lite have triple camera setup, 64 megapixel of wide camera, 8 megapixel of ultra wide camera, and 5 megapixel of macro camera. Whereas Z3 comes with triple camera setup, 64 megapixel of wide camera, 8 megapixel of ultra wide camera, and 2 megapixel of macro camera. So I will call it a tie because both of the devices have approximately the same camera specs. And about the front camera of the devices, 11 Lite have 16 megapixel of wide camera, whereas Z3 comes with 16 megapixel of wide camera. So the winner here is Z3 because it can take low noisy photos in low light condition because it have low aperture. Let's talk about the camera features of the devices. 11 Lite have dual LED flash HDR and panorama, whereas Z3 have LED flash HDR and panorama. So the winner here is 11 Lite because of dual LED flash. And about the video recording options in the devices, 11 Lite can shoot 4K video max at 30 fps, Full HD video max at 120 fps with gyro electronic image stabilization. And Z3 can shoot 4K video max at 60 fps, Full HD video max at 60 fps with gyro electronic image stabilization. So the winner here is Z3 because it can record 4K video at 60 fps. Moving to the performance of the devices, let's start with the operating system of the devices. 11 Lite have Android 11 support, on the other side Z3 have Android 11 support. So it's a tie here. And about the user interface of the devices, 11 Lite have MIUI whereas Z3 have FunTouch UI. So I will call it a tie because both of the user interface have different UI. Let's talk about the processor of the devices. 11 Lite is powered by Snapdragon 732G 5G based on 8nm processor, whereas Z3 is powered by Snapdragon 768G 5G based on 7nm processor. So the winner here is Z3 because it have 4% faster processor, which gives the device faster processing speed. And about the GPU of the devices, 11 Lite is packed with Adreno 618, whereas Z3 is packed with Adreno 620. So the winner here is Z3 because it can give you more FPS in games. Let's talk about the clock speed of the devices. 11 Lite can clock at 2.3 GHz based on octa-core Creo chipset, whereas Z3 can clock at 2.8 GHz based on octa-core Creo chipset. So the winner here is Z3 because it have faster clock speed. And about the RAM variants in the devices, 11 Lite have 3 options, 4, 6 and 8 GB, whereas Z3 have 3 variants, 6, 8 and 12 GB. So the winner here is Z3 because it have bigger capacity of RAM. Let's talk about the internal storage of the devices. 11 Lite comes with 64 and 128 GB of storage, whereas Z3 have 2 storage options, 128 and 256 GB. So the winner here is Z3 because it have bigger storage option. And about the external storage of the devices, 11 Lite have shared card slot, whereas Z3 also have shared card slot. So it's a tie. Moving to the display features of the devices, let's start with the display size of the devices. 11 Lite have 6.55 inches of display, whereas Z3 have 6.58 inches of display. So it's a tie because both of the devices have approximately the same screen size. And about the screen to body ratio of the devices, 11 Lite have approximately 85.3%, whereas Z3 have 84.5%. So it's a tie here because both of the devices have approximately the same ratio. Let's talk about the screen resolution of the devices. 11 Lite comes with Full HD Plus display, on the other side Z3 also have Full HD Plus display. So it's a tie. And about the display type of the devices, 11 Lite have AMOLED display having 90Hz of refresh rate with HDR10, and Z3 have IPS LCD display having 120Hz of refresh rate with HDR10 support. So the winner here is 11 Lite because it have AMOLED display, which makes the display more color vibrant and produces more darker blacks, and the viewing angles are better than IPS LCD. Moving to the body features of the devices, let's start with the thickness of the devices. 11 Lite have 6.8 mm of thickness, whereas Z3 have 8.5 mm of thickness. So the winner here is 11 Lite because it have slimmer body. Talking about the weight of the devices, 11 Lite have 157 grams of weight, whereas Z3 have 185 grams of weight. So clearly the winner here is 11 Lite because it have lower body weight. And about the protective glass of the devices, 11 Lite have Gorilla Glass 5, whereas Z3 have Gorilla Glass 5. So it's a tie because both of the devices have same generation of glass. Let's talk about the build quality of the devices. 11 Lite have glass back with plastic frame, whereas Z3 have plastic back with plastic frame. So the winner here is 11 Lite because of solid build quality it have. And about the SIM options in the devices, both of the devices have dual nano SIM support, so it's a tie. Moving to some of the most important features of the devices, let's start with the fingerprint scanner of the devices. 11 Lite have side mounted fingerprint scanner, on the other side Z3 have side mounted fingerprint scanner, so it's a tie. And about the sensors in the devices, 11 Lite have accelerometer, gyroscope, proximity and compass, whereas Z3 have accelerometer, gyroscope, proximity and compass, so again it's a tie. Let's talk about the battery capacity of the devices. 11 Lite have 4200 mAh of battery capacity, whereas Z3 have 4400 mAh of battery capacity. So the winner here is Z3 because it have bigger battery capacity. Let's talk about the charging speed of the devices. 11 Lite have 33 watts of fast charging, whereas Z3 have 55 watts of fast charging. So the winner here is Z3 because it can charge up your device faster. Let's talk about the loudspeaker of the devices. 11 Lite comes with dual speakers, whereas Z3 have normal speakers, so the winner here is 11 Lite because it can produce immersive sound. And about the headphone jack of the devices, 11 Lite did not have any, whereas Z3 have, so the winner here is Z3. Moving to the communication chips on the devices, starting with the WLAN of the devices. Both of the devices comes with Wi-Fi AC, dual band Wi-Fi, Wi-Fi direct and hotspot, so it's a tie. And about the Bluetooth version of the devices, 11 Lite have 5.1 generation of Bluetooth, whereas Z3 also have 5.1 generation of Bluetooth, so it's a tie because both of the devices have same generation of Bluetooth. Let's talk about the positioning chips in the devices. 11 Lite have 8 GPS, GLONASS, Galileo and BDS, whereas Z3 also have 8 GPS, GLONASS, Galileo and BDS, so it's a tie here. And about the USB connectivity of the devices, 11 Lite comes with 2nd gen of Type-C connector with OTG support, whereas Z3 also have 2nd gen of Type-C connector with OTG support, so it's a tie. Moving to the price of the devices, in the international market, starting range of 11 Lite is around $270, whereas Z3 is available from $250. In the Indian market, 11 Lite have starting range from 22,000 rupees, whereas Z3 is available from 18,000 rupees. So the conclusion of the video is, in the camera the winner is Z3, in the performance the winner is Z3, in the display the winner is 11 Lite, in the body segment the winner is 11 Lite, in the features of the device the winner is Z3, in the communication chips the winner is Z3, and about the prices the winner is Z3. So the decision is totally yours, which device you like the most so far, and let me know in the comment below what do you think, which device is better for you. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you like our content, please like our video, share this video and subscribe to our channel. Comment what you thought in the comment below. If you're watching this video on Facebook, please like our page TechDad, and if you want to follow me on Instagram, here's my Instagram ID on the screen. This is Amit and I will see you guys in the next one. Till then, bye.